Okay, sir.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Now, yesterday our topic was propagation of sound. In that propagation of sound, here the activity is propagation of sound through propagation of sound through air and water. Through air and water, that activity we can see in our book. And water here. I know the velocity, speed of sound in air, speed of sound in air, that is 340 meter per second. Speed of sound in water is more, that is 1500 meter per second. Speed of sound in steel, that is solid, it is very much, that is 5000 meter per second. Here, the speed of sound in air, it is very less. In water, it is much more. Then it is still, it is highest. Write down here, the speed of sound depends on the medium through which it travels. Through which it travels. So here we are going to take an activity. Suppose here is a bell. When the bell rings, we are hearing the sound. Suppose this is our ear. See in your book, when a metallic bell is here and we can hear the sound in air with a speed of 340 meter per second. But as soon as I put the bell inside the water, here is the water and your bell is here. Suppose your bell is inside the water and then bell ring and then you hear the sound here. Ear is here. Inside the water. So what can you imagine? What will you imagine? Is it sound louder this time or not? Give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, क्या होगा? Sound ज़्यादा होगी, कम होगी?
सर ज्यादा होगी.
Very good. नियत किसने जवाब दिया?
सर निलय.
Very good, Nilay Jawar. Clap for you. Nilay Jawar, right? So this is an activity we can perform easily now. The next one activity is over there. That is to show that sound travels through solids. Sound travels, propagation of sound. Sound travels through solids. प्लीज बेटा म्यूट करिए अपने को. साकेत जायसवाल म्यूट. Now the sound travels through solids. For that you take a long wooden table. Here is a wooden table. We may take here. Here is our ear. This is our ear. Or you are making a sound with the help of bell. Here. Like this. Suppose here is a table. Your ear is here. Your ear is here. And we are making a sound here. Like this. So when I am making a sound here, as we know, the velocity is very large in solids that we have seen. तो जैसे ही मैं साउंड करूंगा energy will transfer from particle to particle, particle to particle, particle to particle, and reaches our ear, and we can immediately listen the sound. This is the one more activity you can perform at your home. Is that clear? बोलो बच्चों, समझ में आ
Yes, sir.
गया?
Yes, sir.
वेरी
Yes,
गुड.
sir.
जैसे ही मैं कोई
Yes,
क्वेश्चन
sir.
पूछता हूँ, इमीडिएटली बोला करो यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so this is the second activity we can easily perform. Now, बच्चों, स्पीड ऑफ साउंड दैट वी नो 332 मीटर पर सेकेंड. मैंने आपको बताया अभी एयरक्राफ्ट ट्रेवलिंग, एयरक्राफ्ट जो होते हैं बच्चों, ट्रेवलिंग, एयरक्राफ्ट ट्रेवलिंग विद सच ए ग्रेट स्पीड, and that speed of aircraft is called supersonic speed. What they may call supersonic. लिख लें. Now, so my dear children, one more thing I want to say. How the sound travel via telephone? How the sound travel via telephone?
Sir, wire. Through wire.
वेरी गुड. अभी बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. नाइस आंसर. नाउ इन टेलीफोन, सपोज here is the one side of the telephone, that is, and here is a microphone. Here is a microphone is here. We can say this is our mouthpiece. Here it is our mouthpiece, or everywhere in mouthpiece or receiver, जो हमारा ईयरपीस होता है, ये से दिस इज आवर ईयरपीस. दोनों जगह स्पीकर लगे हुए हैं. हियर इज एन स्पीकर. तो हियर इज ए माउथपीस. थ्रू वायर इट इज बीइंग कनेक्टेड इन दिस मैनर. Here it is a telephone wire. Here it is a telephone wire. Draw this diagram. Here it is our earpiece. Here it is our earpiece. So we can say in one side, एक तरफ से हम बोलते हैं जैसे ये, this is my mobile. But in mobile there is no telephonic wire. These are electromagnetic waves. Wire classes में पढ़ेंगे हम. How mobile works, ये 12th class में पढ़ाते हैं हम. Now, here you can see sound travels via telephone wires. लिखिए first, sound travels via telephonic wire. मेरे साथ साथ लिखिएगा. Now, in the mouthpiece of a telephone, here the sound of your voice makes metal disc vibrate. यहाँ पर जैसे हम बोलते हैं, here I am speaking, so in this mouthpiece a metal disc is there, and that metal disc vibrate. Or we know very well when it vibrates, vibrations are changed into electric waves. देखिए, vibrations are changed into electrical waves. मेरे साथ साथ लिखिएगा आप लोग. Vibrations are changed into electrical waves. Here, which travels through telephonic wire. This is our telephonic wire. When these waves reach earpiece, जैसे ही ये waves यहाँ पर पहुंचती हैं, This is our earpiece, जो हमारे कान के पास लगा रहता है. This reaches our earpiece of another telephone, then make another disc vibrate. Then यह वाली जो disc होती है, then they will vibrate. The metal disc is in both sides, mouthpiece as well as earpiece. So that will vibrate, and these vibrations are perceived as sound by the receiver. तो source मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I am the source. आप सुन रहे हैं, you are the listener. Okay? Write down. So from these activities, I can say that sound is produced. लिखो. With these activities, I can say that sound is produced. Sound is produced by vibrating object. Sound is produced by vibrating objects. And it is carried by the particles, and it is carried by the particles of a medium in all direction. Of a medium in all direction. Now, come to the next topic. That is also a very important topic that we are going to learn. That is perception of sound. Perception of sound that we are going to learn. Write down the topic name. Perceptions of sound. Sounds, अभी तक हमने पढ़ा बच्चों, sound are invisible. लिखिए, sound is invisible. They feel the surrounding air and are carried through air in the form of waves. जो sound चल रहा है air में, they are coming in this manner that we have seen in the form of wave. Sound is coming from here, so we can see the sound is coming like this. The ears, the nerve, and the brain enable us to hear sound. Ear ही हमारा कान जिससे हम सुनते हैं, इसमें nerves होती हैं, brain. So through ear, nerves, and brain, we are hear the sound. Just like eyes जो होती है हमारी आंखें, उससे हम देखते हैं, नाक उससे हम सूंघते हैं. Similarly from ear, we are getting sound. How it is? Let us see. I can recognize the voice. जो voice मैं कई सालों से सुन रहा हूं. Suppose my father voice. Even my eye is closed and my father is speaking. I can easily understand that this is the voice of my father. This is the voice of my mother. This is the voice of my student. Is it clear? So ear also can distinguish the different sound. So whatever sound is there is the sound of Lata Mangeshkar. It is the sound of honey. All of you have enjoyed with music. So I can say, my dear children, at night you hear the humming of insects and mosquitoes. रात में हम जब लाइट बंद करके सो जाते हैं, अगर मच्छर होते हैं, mosquitoes, insects, तो उनकी हमिंग की आवाज हमारे कान में आती है. Even though light is not there, we are not seeing, but from their voice we can listen and identify that this is the voice of insect. So I can recognize the voice of our friends. I can also recognize the voice of friends, parents, with the help of ear. So most sounds are stored, because why? How can I identify the voice of my father, the voice of my son, are stored in my memory. That's why immediately I can understand. That is called perception of sound. So when a sound wave is received, write down, when a sound wave is received, when a sound wave is received, when a sound wave is received, the brain compares the new sound with a large memory of sound that is in our brain. जैसे साउंड हमारे पास आती है तो ब्रेन विल इंटरप्रेट इज इज अ न्यू साउंड और ओल्ड साउंड. If it is old sound that is in our memory, so immediately I can identify that this is the voice of Manthan Soni. This is the voice of Mohit Jagatia. Okay? So human ear, for that I want to describe in detail what is ear, how it works. तो लिखिए बच्चों, see the figure in your book of ear. See the figure. I can see ear and draw the figure. Ear. Ear, it is our ear. This part of ear is called pinna. Ear, this part of ear is called pinna. Pinna. थोड़ा बड़ा लिख देता हूं मैं. Here, this is part called pinna. Now, this part is called outer ear. Here, this is the part is outer ear. There are three main parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Outer ear, बच्चों, all of you draw a figure of ear. कलर्ड फिगर बनाइए आपकी कॉपी में, कलर डायग्राम. आई हैव टू सी. कल मैं देखूंगा आप लोगों से वीडियो पे ला करके आपको. नाउ देन ईयर. नाउ द ईयर, इट इज द मिडिल पार्ट. इट इज कॉल्ड मिडिल ईयर. मिडिल ईयर, सॉरी. In this middle ear, here it is the eardrum. In the middle ear, here is the eardrum, and just of eardrum, bones of ear. Here are the bones. Here, the bones of middle ear. Bones of middle ईयर. अभी बताऊंगा ये बोन्स कौन कौन सी होती हैं. ईयर इज द बोन्स ऑफ मिडिल ईयर. देन ईयर इन दिस पार्ट, दिस इज कॉल्ड इनर ईयर. ईयर, दिस पार्ट is called inner ear. There are three main parts you can see: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. In that inner ear, the main thing here is cochlea. Here the main part in that COCH, COCHLEA, cochlea. Here is the inner part, and in that also an auditory nerve. Auditory nerve. So this is the complete structure of our ear. Draw this diagram. So what we are going to learn here, first one is outer ear. Draw this diagram. This part seen outside the cord, here it is called pinna. Here it is called pinna. A tightly stretched membrane called eardrum ये ईयर, इट इज अ ईयर ड्रम. सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम मिडिल ईयर, ये मिडिल, ये थोड़ा इधर मान लीजिए आप, ये इस जगह आउटर ईयर और मिडिल ईयर के बीच में यहां पर ईयर ड्रम होता है. दिस सेपरेट्स. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ ईयर ड्रम? राइट डाउन. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ ईयर ड्रम? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ईयर ड्रम? Ear drum vibrates whenever sound wave reach it. जैसे साउंड वेव आ जाएगी हमारे कान में, ईयर ड्रम जो हमारा ये है वाइब्रेट्स. Then in the middle ear consists of 3 small bones. That is not in our syllabus, लेकिन मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. The 3 bones of middle ear, first one is, लिख लेना ये, हैमर. दैट इज नॉट इन आवर सिलेबस, बट बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. The 3 bones of middle ear, hammer, anvil, second one is anvil. First bone is hammer, second one is anvil, and third one is stirrup. Here. So these are the 3 bones in the middle ear, which transmit the vibration of sound, in the inner ear. ये जो bones होती हैं, ये जो ईयर ड्रम वाइब्रेट करता है, उस वाइब्रेशन को क्या करता है? It will transmit into the inner ear. These bones. तो outer ear हो गया, second one is middle ear, and last one, that is the inner ear. The last one is inner ear. Third one, that is inner ear. See, in this inner ear consists of cochlea. ये cochlea, cochlea. They receive sound vibration and send a message to the brain. ये sound को लेता है and then send through an auditory nerve to our brain. Send message to our brain via auditory nerve, and brain interpret the sound and we can understand. This is the function of ear. So sound enters through pinna, travels inside the ear. Sound जो आ रही है बच्चों, that comes through the pinna. लिख लो, sound comes या sound enters through pinna, and sound enters through pinna, travels inside the ear. Canal to reach the eardrum. यहाँ से यहाँ आ रही है, reach the eardrum. Then eardrum vibrate. जैसे ही ये eardrum vibrate करेगा, this eardrum vibrates, carry the sound wave through the middle ear. ये vibration जो होंगे, that will go through the middle ear. Then bones amplify the sound. ये जो bones हैं, bones क्या करेगी? That will amplify the sound. Sound को बढ़ाएगी. Amplify का मतलब बढ़ाना. Amplify the sound, which is further carried. जो amplified sound होगा, that will go inside the inner ear. That will go inside the inner ear. These sound waves are perceived in cochlea. These sound waves perceived in cochlea and converted into electrical signal. जैसे ही आएगा, that will convert into electrical signals. That converts into electrical signals before being sent to the brain through the auditory nerve. यहाँ से brain को भेजने से पहले through auditory nerve it converts into electrical signals. Okay, So this is there. This is the total functioning of our ear. Then see that in your book. Here we are having 4 questions at page number 143. आज आप ये करेंगे, अगर नहीं आते हैं आपको तो मैं कल आपको बताऊंगा। आ गया समझ में?
यस सर।
यस सर।
अच्छा, कुशल पोरवाल अटेंडेंस ले लिया है, फोटो खींच लिया? किसको बोला मैंने अटेंडेंस
सर।
की?
सर संयम,
हैं?
सर संयम को बोला था।
Yes, take the attendance and send it to me. Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
हो गया?
बाय सर।
Bye, sir.